The AWS Cloud Development Kit (CDK) is an open-source framework for defining AWS infrastructure in code, converting it into CloudFormation templates for automated management. KICS, or Keeping Infrastructure as Code Secure, scans IAC files for vulnerabilities and misconfigurations, integrating with CI/CD pipelines to ensure security and code compliance early in development. And here's where the magic happens. We've integrated security directly into the developer's workflow, automatically scanning infrastructure code for issues before deployment. This seamless CI/CD integration ensures compliance and continuous security validation while also empowering developers to catch risks early. We'll start by creating a simple AWS CDK application in TypeScript. We're going to add a basic S3 bucket with several misconfigurations to our infrastructure code. Now we will run the CDK synth command, which converts our CDK code into a CloudFormation template. Once completed, the new template is ready for commit and deployment. But wait, we might miss potential misconfigurations or security issues that could introduce risks in production. We need a way to scan this file and ensure its secure infrastructure as code file. To do this, we will integrate KICS into our CDK application with a simple npm install command. This will install the KICS validator plugin and configure it to scan the CDK project. Then we'll head to the CDK app object and enter the KICS validator parameter. This setup ensures that any CDK code synthesis will run the KICS validator and automatically scan the code of the CDK application and report its findings. Running the CDK synth command again, we see KICS has flagged some issues with our S3 bucket. For example, it detected a public access setting that might violate security best practices. These findings are clearly outlined along with guidance to fix each issue. Before we start remediating, let's try to reduce some of the noise around all these alerts. We'll return to our code and add low severity exclusion so that we won't see this severity level. Then we'll run the CDK synth command again, and now we can see only medium and higher severity levels. Now we can start remediating the issues. We'll make the recommended adjustment in our CDK code, such as enforcing SSL and disabling public access, and then run CDK synth command one more time. This time, KICS shows no critical findings and an IAC template is generated. This indicates our configuration is secure and compliant and can be committed and deployed. Integrating KICS with AWS CDK enables automated security checks during development. By embedding KICS into CI/CD pipelines, we catch vulnerabilities and misconfigurations early, preventing risks from reaching production. This integration is seamless for developers and ensures secure, efficient workflows without needing any manual checks. Download now and integrate security into your workflow to catch issues before they reach production.